What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here, the painter. The frame of the Mack truck has been painted. I did 3 coats of base, 3 coats of clear. Came out awesome, nice and shiny. It was a pretty big job, especially when you had to climb under to paint these in here. But other than that, it came out good. A little walk around so you guys take a look. Here we go. Nice and shiny. Look at that. Well, it looks awesome. And let's look at the front. Front came out pretty good. Here we go. Sorry for the train in the back. It's just this train is all day. You can hear that all day. It drives you crazy. This is the next stuff. The next the cab is next. We got a couple of dents here that I got to take care of. And here, it's gonna be a color change. It's gonna be green and black. All right, guys. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, comment, and thumbs like. Put a like on the video. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.